This is the top 10 max pain range compression setups for August 19th for trading day, August 20th. These are swing trades 1 day at a time, typically feature a significant sell off from a 10 or 30-day high, a range compression on today's range, which sets up a yellow zone that favors trading in either direction with a asymmetric payoff, no matter which way price goes. So this is our favorite low information routine setup for short term swing trading 1 day at a time. So this is Google, and that's at like 7.5 to 1. And you can see the sell off failed to fail further. Clear markers on the way up. Mexico, 1 day recovery. Also 1 day help. Again, the example of yesterday's range compression. Today went below the low right here at 393. Just something short. So if you had planned for day, but this look 393, the breakdown of this would like short. I just your stop. You enjoy that whole move. Nice text. Spike right here. Kick the retracement. Re-enters. And you kept all that money. That's a this quarter. Move that and be worthwhile for square return gains from expected round yards and the third so higher at like one breaks it down. I've do the way over the Oracle splash optimistic section that Oracle was noticed to feel for that really positive and was cut in hand already. That's the X pain range. 14%.